Hi everyone, welcome back to Click Excel. In this video, I will show you how to fix that REF error in Excel. When you enter any formula and you'll get the error instead of results. So without further delay, let's start. First, what is REF means? REF error happens when Excel can't find the cell reference anymore. That may cause because of many issues. We will see one by one. First problem is deleted cells. If you delete a row or column used in a formula, Excel shows the REF error. I'll show you. I'll enter the if formula equals if I'll take the cell reference as age. Our cell age is greater than or equals to 30. Just type yes or else no. Hit the enter. Age is greater than 30. So if we drag the formula, it will work for all the cells. Now if we delete this age, the formula will go to the REF error. Let's check. I'm deleting this column. See, go into the REF error. Reference column is not available. That's why it's showing the REF error. So check your reference column is available or not. If it is deleted, just undo it. So your formula will work. Next issue is you referring the wrong cell. So if your formula refers to an invalid cell, it breaks. So edit the formula and select the correct cells again. Next problem might be the cut and paste issue. When you are trying to copy the cells, by mistake you cut the cells. And in that case, if that cell refers in a formula, so that time the formula gives you the REF error. So use the Ctrl C instead of cut when needed. Like this, you can avoid the REF error. So to avoid the errors, lock important cells. That's how you can fix the REF errors quickly. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Click Excel. Thank you for watching.